all this damn boost too. What a dick.
Oh, they're not there yet? Shit. They weren't supposed to know.
I was looking at the mini map looking. What the god? What the?
Kobe! Oh, Kobe!
I didn't even see them.
Oh my god. Yes. Oh, I will upload this one race just for you to watch. And
That was retarded.
it was like what you did to Sean all over again.
Pretty much.
I shot him backwards too. Oh. Didn't even mean to hit you at all. It's like oh, see what happens. Throw him back there. Oh, here's what the fuck? Just dead.
I didn't even see him coming.
Oh,
Like, I could see for miles in front of me, and I'm just like,
I'm good.
my first thought was you threw a sticky bomb and just took it. Yeah.
Oh shit.